information. Adeline has 13 individual pieces from a chocolate bar. Go ahead and draw a little rectangle. Shouldn't take up very much of the paper. How many pieces does she have? How many pieces does she have? This is not a trick question. Tells us on the board. Lydia? 13. So next to that little piece, we're going to write times 13. We're not going to draw all 13, but we know that it's that piece 13 times. We can imagine that. What else are we wondering about? Avery, what are you wondering about?
I'm wondering, are you going to eat any of it?
Okay.
Or are you going to eat any of it, or is it just going to stay how it is?
Okay. Wondering, is Adeline going to eat any of these pieces? Are they just going to stay where they are? Archer, what are you wondering?
Is she going to give any of the pieces to her friends?
She's going to give any of the pieces to her friends. True. Maverick?
Is she going to get more?
Is she going to get more? Lydia?
Are they going to melt away and she's going to have less?
Are they going to melt away? Is she going to get less? Maya? Say that again? How many is she going to eat if she eats them? All right.
I wonder what the length is of the candy bars.
Sure. Draw a little squiggle under this. Draw a little squiggle under this. We're going to get another piece of information. A whole snack-sized candy bar. Have you seen these before?
Yeah.
These are usually when they make them little like this for like Halloween or something. So a whole snack-sized candy bar is below. What do we notice about that snack-sized candy bar? This is the same candy bar. This is just it with a wrapper on. And then if I unwrapped it, this is what it would see. So it's not two. It's the wrapper and then the candy. Brogan, what are you noticing about that snack-sized
I'm
candy bar?
noticing that there's 4 equal rectangles in that thing, and they're split into 4.
Okay, so Brogan's noticing, hey, there's 4 pieces in that snack size. Bowen, what are you noticing?
It would be impossible to get 13.
Well, we don't know where she got them from. We just know that she has 13. But Bowen is saying, hey, in one snack size, there's only 4. But she has 13, right?
She must have ate one of them.
Maybe she ate one of them. Maybe she got some more. A couple different things could happen. Avery, what are you noticing?
I'm wondering, for a minute I thought there was 13 on the candy bar, but maybe she has a lot of them, and that 4 on the candy bar makes 13.
Nope, the 4 on the candy bar does not make 13.
All the candy bars, is she going to get any more?
I don't know. Maverick, what are you noticing?
I'm noticing that it's milk chocolate.
Okay. All right.
I'm noticing that she needs 3 more of those to get. She needs 3 more of those to get a whole.
Okay. Art's noticing, hey, we just drew this one piece, right?
Yeah.
And in a snack size bar, it's the same piece. Do you notice that?
Yeah.
The same size piece, but there's 4 of them. So underneath that squiggle, go ahead and draw the same size piece you already drew. But we're going to connect it, so now it is one big full snack size bar. So we have our piece that we drew just a second ago. And Arik noticed, hey, that's the same piece. It's just now stuck together. So we're going to add it. We're going to draw a new one where that same piece is stuck together.
Like this. No.
Paxton, stop messing with that bandage, please. We have one piece, and then we have our snack bar. Next to the snack bar, I want you to write snack bar. So we have our pieces, and we have a snack bar. Are those the same thing?
Yeah.
Are pieces in snack bar the same thing? Talk to your neighbor. Are pieces, or is a piece, the same thing as a snack bar? Jordan, what did you and your table talk about?
We said no because a piece isn't the same size as a snack bar, and it's like not equal to a snack bar.
All right, so let's look at this with some fraction pieces. Brogan already told us, hey, that snack bar has 4 equal pieces. Right, Brogan?
Yeah.
Yep. So using my 4th pieces, I can say, okay, there's my snack bar. Right?
Yes.
That's 1 piece. Is that worth the same amount as the whole snack bar? No, those are 2 different things. However, we need pieces to make a snack bar,
4 of those pieces to make it a plate.
but a piece is not the same as a snack bar. We got that so far? That makes sense? Yes? All right, let's keep going. So again, she's got those 13 pieces. Think about those 13 pieces. She knows that a whole snack-sized candy bar looks like this, which we already talked about needs 4 pieces. So how many snack-sized candy bars could she kind of like make? Hands off your pieces. Give me a secret thumb if you have 13 in front of you. If you don't have 13, we were not following directions. This is a problem. You have 13? Awesome. Why did I have you count out 13 pieces? It's not to practice counting to 13. Kelly, why did we count out 13 pieces?
Because she has 13 like individually Hershey like pieces.
Yeah. So those pieces, those 13 pieces you have in front of you, you're not touching them. Those 13 pieces you have in front of you, those are her individual Hershey's pieces. She's going to make snack bars. Well, how many pieces are in a snack bar? Texan? 4. Go ahead and pull out 4 pieces. Yep, from your 13. And push them together so they kind of look like a snack bar.
Doesn't matter which way they go.
Nope. Snack bars can be straight up and down and side to side. Does she have pieces left?
Yeah.
Could she make another snack bar? Yeah. Go ahead and see how many snack bars she can make. When you've done it, give me a secret thumb. How many pieces are in each bundle? There's going to be 4 pieces because see, we've got 4 pieces inside our snack bar. When you have done it, give me a secret thumb. You have a question? Show me with your fingers how many snack bars, whole snack bars. Show me with your fingers. How many snack bars was she able to make? I see a lot of 3s. Very good. I should have 3 whole snack bars made with my pieces. But wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What's going on with that? I thought I had 13 pieces. Jordan, do I have 13 pieces? What's going on with that?
You have 3 whole snack bars and 1/4 of the snack bar.
Ooh! Did y'all hear that, genius? Say it one more time, Jordan, because it was amazing.
You have 3 whole snack bars and you have 1/4 of a snack bar.
Yeah, I have 3 whole snack bars. And then I do have that extra little piece. I just have 1/4 left over. Go ahead and draw your 3 snack bars plus your 1/4 piece left over in your notebook. Now, Jordan said something very interesting. He said, touch your pieces. He said there's 1/4 piece left over. How did he know there was 1/4? Like, how did he know that was the number it was? We see the 3 holes. 1, 2, 3. I got that. But how did Jordan know that that piece right there was worth 1/4? Avery, how did he know that?
He knew that because there's four fourths in each group. So that would have to be
Marley, stop touching your
that
pieces.
would have to be 1/4 of a ghost group.
Yeah, a ghost group. I love that. So Avery is imagining, okay, well, here's the rest of that bar. Even though it's not there, I know that to make a whole snack bar, I need 4 pieces. If I only have 1, that's worth 1/4. So we're going to write this number 2 different ways. We're going to put this picture into math language 2 different ways. The first way we're going to do it, and we're going to write it, is we're going to use the language Jordan used. He said I have 3 whole snack bars plus 1/4. Okay, well that looks like this. 3, right? 3 whole snack bars. And 1/4. This is technically not 3rd grade fractions. We don't deal a lot with this. It's called a mixed number. It's when you have whole numbers, whole things, plus a little bit more. You just did a mixed number. You will learn a lot about those in 4th grade. If you pass the Freckles Challenge, you might have seen those. If you're working ahead, that's fine. But there's another way I can write this fraction that is 3rd grade. If this piece is 1/4, what is this piece?
1/4.
Go ahead, Kelly.
1/4.
What about this piece?
1/4.
This piece?
1/4.
That piece?
1/4.
Can we count up our fourths?
Yeah.
All right, let's label. Come on now, bro. Let's label our 4th pieces. I'm gonna try to go up to my. So we're gonna draw, or we're gonna add our labels into our snack bars. Get your pencil ready. I've already labeled my one lone one. That's 1/4. If I keep going and I have this guy, that's gonna be 2/4. What if I keep going?
3/4.
3/4.
4/4. 5/4. 6/4.
Thanks, Bowen.
7/4. 8/4. 9/4. 10/4. 11/4. 12/4. 13/4.
13. Where have I heard that? Mason?
India plus.
Yeah, we started knowing she had 13 pieces. Now we know it's 13 1/4 pieces. AKA 13/4. So this number that Jordan came up with of 3 whole things plus a little bit more plus that 1/4 is equal to, it's not going to look the same, but it's got the same value. We just counted how many 4th size pieces was that. Paxton, I can't tell that you're paying attention when you're doing that. Ava, I can't tell that you're paying attention when you're doing that. How many 4th size pieces did we get, Ava? 3? Nope, I did not get 3 4th size pieces. Julian? 13/4. I got 13. Why we counted them. So I could say this in 2 different ways. I could say, okay, she can make 3 whole snack bars and have 1/4 left over, or I can say she's got 13/4. We learned a very special word to describe this. What was that word that we used to describe? We're going to write it in our notebooks so you remember. Julian? You're on fire today. Equivalent. Which means they are worth the same amount. 3 whole snack bars plus 1/4 piece left over is worth the same amount as having 13 individual 1/4 pieces. Brogan.
Can you subtract